Ito guys, magluluto tayo ng bagnet dahil nag-crave kami. Yan, binoil ko yung meat until tender. Tubig and oil lang hanggang lumambot. Then saka ko ipinirito until golden brown. Yan. Dahan-dahan kasi tumatalsik. Yan, luto na yung ating bagnet. Yan. Inahon na natin. Yan. Yan. Look how crunchy.
Super lambot.
And tender.
Loko.
Mainit-init pa. Yan.
Super crunchy yung ating bagnet.
Yan. Super crunchy.
Yan.
Ayan.
Titignan natin kung gaano kalutong.
I-try natin yung skin niya. Super lutong. Wow. It's juicy and crunchy. So what are you waiting for? Try na. Magluto na. This is my version of Ilocos Bagnet.